In a large bowl, combine yeast, sugar, and warm milk. Stir everything together and then add melted butter, a pinch of salt, and then gradually add in your all-purpose flour as you continue to stir. Keep stirring until the dough no longer sticks to the side of the bowl, and then knead the dough for about 7 to 10 minutes. Shape the dough into a nice even ball, and then using a mezzaluna or a knife, cut the dough into 8 equal portions. One by one, take each of the triangle portions and flatten them using a rolling pin dusted with just a bit of flour. Feel free to stretch them a bit with your hands. Then, starting with the widest part, roll it up until you meet the smallest part of the triangle. Then fold it over to create the Hörnchen shape. Here's an up-close look. So again, we roll out our dough until it's nice and thin, dusting it with flour as needed. And then starting with the widest end of our triangle, we're going to roll it up to meet the smallest end. And this is going to create nice, beautiful, and delicious layers in our delicious Hörnchen. Then fold up the dough to make a U shape or a little horn. And there you have it. Now to complete the rest of them. Okay, so now that you have completed the Hörnchen, excellent job. Lay them out onto a baking sheet and allow them to rise for about 1 hour until they've doubled in size. Then take 1 whole egg, combine with about a tablespoon of milk. Stir everything together, and then using a pastry brush, brush each of the Hörnchen with the egg wash. The egg wash will give the Hörnchen a beautiful golden brown color. Now it's time to place the Hörnchen into a preheated oven where they'll bake for about 10 to 15 minutes or until they're nicely golden brown. Just like this. And now it's time to plate up our delicious Hörnchen because it's time to enjoy them. Okay, so now I have my beautiful plate of Hörnchen. Let's see how they turned out. As you can see, they're perfectly golden, nice and soft to the touch. And when you break one open, you can see some of those beautiful layers that we worked so hard to create. Now, with just a little drizzle of Honig, a little honey, or your favorite marmalade, and there we have it. Guten Appetit!